Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of stubborn hormonal belly fat naturally. No extreme diets or intense workouts needed. If perimenopause or menopause has left you battling with extra weight around your middle, this video will be a game changer. I'll explain exactly why this weight is showing up and why it's so resistant to your usual weight loss methods. Having helped countless women reshape their bodies during menopause, I understand your biggest challenges, feeling trapped, stressed, and discouraged as the weight creeps up week after week, month after month. It's extremely frustrating when your tried and true weight loss strategies suddenly stop working. But here's the thing, it's absolutely not your fault. If you're struggling to lose weight, it's not about willpower or effort. It's about your changing hormones. Your body is literally programmed to gain weight more easily now, and it's significantly harder to lose it. That's why your old approaches aren't delivering results anymore. So here's the crucial thing you need to understand. During menopause, your elevated cortisol levels make your body ultra sensitive to both physical and emotional stress. More stress leads to more midsection weight gain, which increases inflammation, causing even more belly fat. It's a frustrating cycle that keeps your waistline expanding, perhaps even yo-yoing up and down the scale. This is what's causing your body shape to shift from pear shape, where the fat sits mainly in your lower body, to an apple, where the fat concentrates more around your midsection. Plus, you're losing muscle tone, leading to that soft, spongy appearance and more visible cellulite. So here's the takeaway. Getting back in shape and losing belly fat requires addressing the root cause. You're shifting levels of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, and cortisol. This isn't about restrictive diets, counting calories, limiting carb, or excessive exercise. It's about consuming hormone-supporting foods, doing appropriate, gentle exercises, and creating a lifestyle habits that reduce body stress. When you do this right, you not only shed weight, but you'll see other improvements in all your symptoms. Let me show you exactly how to do this in 3 simple steps. First, we're going to stop gaining belly fat. We're going to see exactly how to halt the weight gain and momentum, remove excessive belly fat. Let's figure out how to reverse that trend. And third, maintain your results. Let's make sure that the weight stays off permanently. So starting with step 1. How do we stop the belly fat? The key is balancing your hormones and stabilizing blood sugar by eating the right foods at the right times, in the right portions. This naturally controls cravings, making it easier to stay consistent with healthier eating. Focus on plant-based foods rich in hormone-supporting nutrients. So various seeds and nuts, abundant leafy greens, high fiber, slow release carbs like steel cut oats. And of course, timing matters. You need these energy giving carbs during the day, but since your digestion slows at night and you store fat more easily then, evening meals should focus on leafy greens and lean proteins. So our second step, how do we remove the belly fat? Understanding the 2 types of belly fat is crucial. We have visceral fat and subcutaneous fat. Visceral fat is the deep internal fat, and these are the cells that are now involved in your estrogen production, which is why we gain more weight around our midsection. And then the subcutaneous fat is the surface fat. That's the fat that you can pinch. Each responds differently to weight loss efforts. For visceral fat, doing hormone-balancing nutrition is key. Research shows that just 2 to 3 cups of leafy greens plus seeds, nuts, and legumes can make a dramatic difference. The surface fat is more stubborn. Science shows that the best approach combines proper nutrition with specific exercises. But here's where most women make a mistake. They do too much high-intensity cardio or lengthy workouts that stress the body, increasing inflammation and raising their cortisol. This is going to lead to more weight gain. Instead, you need brief, gentle muscle toning sessions a few times a week to shift your metabolism from fat storing to fat burning. The right exercises will also strengthen your core muscles and flatten your tummy naturally. Third, we need to maintain these results. Success comes from habits that minimize body stress and support detoxification. Simple changes can make a huge difference, such as no caffeine after lunch, consistent sleep and meal schedules, and awareness of environmental toxins, which can store in the belly fat and make it harder to lose. If you found this helpful and want to learn more, I invite you to check out the details below for our Nutrition Reset workshop. In this workshop, we take you exactly through step by step the nutritions you need to help reset your metabolism and balance your hormones. And you walk away with a one-page cheat sheet that you can use for every single week from now on. Thank you for watching until the end. Drop the questions in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in our next Nutritional Reset workshop.